Hello everyone and welcome to Sources Classes. In this video again we'll continue our discussion with the questions pertaining to test of mathematics. So we'll be discussing the questions in this video so that it gives you a general idea regarding the kind of question that we see in this kind of exam, and we can also analyze the approach we need towards tackling this question. So the question in front of us is basically P is a variable point on a circle C and Q is a fixed point outside the circle C. R is a point on PQ dividing it in the ratio P is to Q, where P is greater than 0 and Q is greater than 0 are fixed. So we need to find the locus of R, the nature of the locus of the R. Okay, so let C equal to x square plus y square equal to a square. Okay, and P be b comma c, Q be m comma n. So therefore b square plus c square equal to a square. R B H comma K. So therefore H will be PM plus QB by plus Q, and K will simply be PN plus QC by P plus Q. Okay, I hope this next up, if we take a look at QB can be simply given by P plus Q, H minus PM, and QC will be given by P plus Q, K minus Qn. Now Q square B square plus C square will be Q square B C square will be given as P plus Q whole square into H square plus P plus Q whole square into K square minus 2PM plus Q H plus P square 2PN P plus Q K plus P square N square. If we take it out, Q square A square can be written as P plus Q whole square A square plus K square. We have taken the common term over here, and then subsequently to P plus Q MH plus NK plus P square M square plus N square. Okay, we have taken common terms here, and these two commons again, P square plus N square. Then finally P plus Q whole square H square plus K square minus 2P P plus Q MH plus NK plus P square plus N square minus Q square A square equal to 0. So here if we take a look at the locus around here, so this entire thing is the locus. Okay, this entire term, say P square plus Q let me just write down the locus as well. So locus being P plus Q whole square x square plus y square minus 2P P plus Q mx plus ny plus P square M square plus N square minus Q square A square equal to 0. So if we simplify the following term, say P plus Q square is some kind of constant, so we'll have kx square plus ky square, again constant, m again another term, so called m into x. So again we'll have a term pertaining to a term with x, a term with y, and a term with x, a term with y, and a constant term. So this is nothing but an equation of a circle. So therefore our option A would be our answer. So I hope this is clear how we came about with the same. So now let's move on to the next question. Yeah, so the second question be, let R be the length of the chord intercepted by the ellipse 9x squared plus 16y squared equal to 144 on the line 3x plus 4y equal to 12. Then we need to find the relation with respect to the radius or the length of the radius in general. So let's take a look. So the first equation being x plus 4y equal to 12. Another one, say this be 1, 9x squared plus 16y squared equal to 144. So if we look at this properly, we can write the same as 3x whole square plus 4y whole square equal to 12 square. Say this be 2. Okay, say this one be 2. So now if we solve the same, solving 1 and 2, what we get is, so let's replace 3x with respect to equation 1, that will be 12 minus 4y whole square plus 16y square equal to 144. So this will be 144 minus 96y plus 16y plus 16y square plus 16y square equal to 0 or equal to 144. My bad. 44. Okay, so I hope this is clear. Now this two term gets cancelled, so therefore y will 32y square would be 96, so therefore y will be 0 and 3, anything from 0 and 3. So therefore similarly x, when y equal to 0, x will be 4, and when y equal to 3, 3 is a 9 of 12, so x will be 0. Okay, so these are the two terms we get. So therefore the 2 points that we will be focusing on are simply 4 comma 0 and 0 comma 3. So we have our 2 points, therefore the distance between the same would simply be 4 square plus 3 square, that is 5. So radius will be equal to 5. Option A being our answer. Okay, I hope this is clear. The approach was the same. So having said that, let's move on to the third question. Yeah, the third question being, the angles A, B and C of triangle ABC are in arithmetic progression and AB equal to 6 and BC equal to 7. So we need to find AC. Okay, so since it's given that ABC are in arithmetic progression, so that is, it will be something like A, B, C. So that is A plus D will be equal to B, and B plus D will be equal to C, right? D being the common difference. So we can do one thing. We can actually represent A in terms of B. Let A be B minus D and C be B plus D. Okay, since they are in arithmetic progression. So therefore A plus B plus D equal to plus B plus C equal to 180. If we substitute the same over here A being B plus D plus B 2B 3B minus D, so it will be simply, if we solve this, B will come out to be 60, so B comes out to be 60 degree. Now suppose this is my triangle. Okay, this is my triangle. Say this is A, this is B, this is C. B is 60 degree, this is A, and something like this. So now for angle A, So if we talk about sine C that have AB common. So sine of this will be, suppose let's sine C, if I'm talking about the same, so it will be, we can actually write AB by sine C equal to BC by sine A equal to AC by sine B. Okay, so here if we talk about sine A, it will simply be 7 by AC into, so AC being 6. Okay, hang on. Yeah, AC, so sine 60 will be root 3 by 2. So therefore 14 root 3 AC. Okay, that is the value of sine A. Now if we take a look at this, sine A plus C. Okay, let me figure sine C as well. Sine C will be nothing but, we talk about AC being 7. Oh no, let's talk about BC. Sine C, if we talk about this will be 12, because AB, if we will do with say 12 root 3 AC. Okay, this will be the value of sine C. Similarly, we have taken sine C's value and then subsequently we have solved the same as well. So with that said, sine A plus sine C, if we go do this, so what we have is that sine A cos C plus cos A sin C. Okay, so since B was 60 degree, so A plus C will simply be 120 degree, because 180 minus 60 will give us 120. So sin 120 will be equal to 14 by AC root 3 cos C plus cos A 12 by AC root 3. Okay, this can be also written as 14 by AC root 3 cos C plus 12 by AC root 3 cos A equal to sin 120 being root 3 by 2. Okay, so I hope this much is clear. So now if we take root 3 and 2 common from here, root 3 and 2 if we take common, so we'll have 3 by 4 equal to 7 by AC cos C plus 6 by AC cos A. Okay, so this is something we can draw from the same. Now this thing can further be written as 7 by under 3AC square minus 144. Okay, sorry, my bad. We'll simply put the value of cos C, so it will simply be 7 into root 3 AC square minus 144 by AC 2 3 plus 6 3AC square minus 196 divided by, So AC square root 3. Okay, so now we solve this one here only. In this part, let me just go with the same. We have 3 root 3 square by 4 will be equal to 7 3AC minus 144 plus 6 AC square minus 196. Okay, so I hope this much is clear. So here if we go through the same, so none AC, basically if we solve the same as well, AC will not yield in any of the following results, be it A, B, C, because the root will be complicated, and even if we square both sides, we solve, we won't be getting either 5, either 7, or either 8. So therefore the correct answer in this particular question would simply be option D. So I hope this is clear. So with that said, I believe we have come to the end of our question here. So video in fact. So we've discussed 3 different kinds of questions. Kindly go through all of them and try to go through the question. In case you have any difficulty understanding, try to go through them as many times as you like. So with that said, I believe we have covered all this, and try, after having understood the concept, try and solve this question on your own. So if you like the video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to our channel, so that we can keep coming up with the relevant content such as this further down the line as well. So with that said, we have come to the end of the video and I'm signing out. Thank you so much.